Did you know the first cocktail was defined as spirits with water, sugar, and bitters? Well, this World Rum Day, we're going to celebrate with the classic of classic cocktails, the Old Fashioned, using this absolutely delicious rum from Diplomático. All right, the Old Fashioned, we're going to build this up in our rocks glass. We take a white sugar cube, pop it straight into the glass, a couple of dashes of your bitters, a little bit of soda, just to help us muddle that down. And what we do, get your muddler on that white sugar, and we'll muddle it down. Now we take our spirits, our Diplomático rum. We're going to do 45 mils of this, so 30 there, and a 15 on the side. Awesome, that rum smells so beautiful. Okay, so we have this here, our rocks glass. Now the idea with the Old Fashioned is it is a drink that is to be sipped. So we're gonna put a big ice cube in there, as big as possible. Now, I have a really cool spherical ice cube that I'm gonna pop in. Here we go. You don't have to throw it in like I did. Try to slide it in on the side. So anyway, you've got your Old Fashioned there. Now a cocktail, every good cocktail needs a garnish. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna take a little bit of an orange peel. Nearly said lemon. Little peel here. Cut it up so it looks beautiful. Here we go. And now we just want to express that in there. Get out a lot of those nice oils. I don't mind giving it a little bit of a rub just around the rim as well, just to get a little bit of the sourness and tartness of that orange. And then look, for a little twist, we just pop her in. And there you go. The classic of classic cocktails, the Old Fashioned. Have an amazing World Rum Day. Cheers.